Cache Giraffe games freezing in the middle of a match is usually caused by the game itself, the app session, the phone's available resources, or the network connection. The fastest fix is to close Cache Giraffe completely, reopen it, and then test the same game again. By the end, you'll know which Cache Giraffe settings to check, how to refresh the app without losing your account, and what to do if only one game keeps freezing. Start with the Cache Giraffe app. Close the game. Remove Cache Giraffe from your recent apps and open it again. This clears the current app session and can fix a temporary loading problem. If the game freezes again, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if both are available. A game that depends on a live connection can stop responding when the connection becomes unstable. Next, check whether other games inside Cache Giraffe work normally. If every game freezes, the problem is more likely related to the Cache Giraffe app, your connection, or the device. If only one game freezes, the problem may be specific to that game. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Cache Giraffe, and look for the storage or cache options. Clear the app cache, then reopen Cache Giraffe. Clearing the cache removes temporary files without being the same as deleting your account. On iPhone, there isn't a standard system option for clearing an individual app's cache. Instead, make sure Cache Giraffe is updated through the App Store. If the problem continues, restarting the iPhone can refresh the app environment. Also check your phone's available storage. If the device is nearly full, close other apps and remove unnecessary files before testing Cache Giraffe again. If Cache Giraffe freezes only during one particular game, don't repeatedly start the same session. Exit that game, return to Cache Giraffe, and try another available game. If other games work while that one continues freezing, the issue may require attention from the game developer or Cache Giraffe support. Finally, avoid uninstalling Cache Giraffe as your first troubleshooting step. Make sure your account information and login method are available before reinstalling any app. So the key fixes are simple. Restart Cache Giraffe, test your connection, clear the Android cache. If you're using Android, update the app, and compare the problem with another game. Start with those steps before reinstalling anything. If this fixed your Cache Giraffe freezing problem, like the video and subscribe for more Cache Giraffe troubleshooting guides.